gloves. Hey guys, so today I have my tablet in front of me and I have brought in my Microsoft Lumia 535 from Microsoft, and I have some decent lighting in here so it's optimal for video recording. And now I'm gonna do a flush test because one of you guys requested it, and I say I'll always try to do my best at upcoming your requests, and therefore I'm gonna do this. So what we gotta start with is we are going to launch the selfie camera, no Facebook, selfie camera, and let the phone take a video selfie of itself being flushed down the toilet. Okay, is this front facing? No, front facing. Here we go. So now let's videotape that video and videotape it and do the flush test. So I'm not gonna drop it down there, but just putting it here at the side, and that is like also good enough. Oh shit. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Oh, the water stopped the video. Take it backwards. It's filming. Oh my god. So that was a quick little flush test. Here we go. Let's go watch it. The phone is wet, but it seems to be working pretty damn well. I don't think it even takes damage of that water, but let's see what happens in a couple of days or maybe a week. Who knows? So here we go. This is the second video. Is it sound? Okay, so that's how water looks like when you have been flushing it down the toilet. And that's me there. And let's see the first one. Here. Come on, start. Okay, the water seems to be interrupting the touch screen. Okay. Okay, so that's how it looks like from down the toilet. And you see, it works pretty well, and this could actually happen if you're using your phone in the toilet and maybe accidentally drop it down there and there is not pure water down there. You would like kinda want to flush it to clean it, and it seems to be pretty functioning after that. So now I'm gonna dry it up and let's see if it will be functioning like a week from now. I'm definitely gonna give you hands-on after this test, but not today. So hope you enjoyed this quick little kinda disgusting test. I enjoyed doing it, but thankfully I have gloves on. That would be so disgusting. And hope you enjoyed once again, and see you guys later.